Okay, so hello YouTube, my name is VladTraveler.com and this will be a disassembly of Dell Inspireon 5520. Okay, basically first thing we'll be doing is removing the battery, which goes up by pulling. Now there are a couple of screws. There are 3, I think. Okay, so 3 screws. There are 4 screws that hold the hard drive. I'll also be upgrading the laptop with this case, so I will be removing the DVD drive and installing a hard drive. Okay, so now you push the hard drive, and this is a screw for the DVD drive. So far all of the screws are of the same side, and you can push this in order to remove the drive. There are 2 screws in here. These are other ones on the right. Okay, now let's see what do we have in here. There are 4. Okay, so there are 2 screws in here. Let's remove those. They are a bit longer, so you should probably hold them in a different position. And there is one more in here, and 2 more in the top. Okay, let's see. These ones are the same length as previous 2, so I can have them in the same spot. And there are 4 screws that hold, well, maybe the keyboard, who knows, holds something anyway. Okie dokie. Now, after removing all of the screws, we probably need to remove the keyboard. Okay, let's see. Okay, so yes, you can see there are hooks that hold the keyboard. So I'll be using my dentist tool, which is quite good, I suppose. Okay. Or not. Or yes. Okay. Okay, after removing the keyboard, you need to disconnect it. So this is one connector. And this is another. There is one here as well. And one more, which is, I think, the power supply. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws that are on the top part, which I will be placing on my top pile. And basically I believe that's pretty much it. Now, okay, I will be placing my hand underneath and try to press this thing up to see whether I can push it up. Oh, there is one more screw in here, sorry. Okay. Now, just to get my prying tool, I have this thing. Now let's see. Oh, just a second, phone. So, one phone call later, prying tool is still here. And let's see if I can open this sucker up. Okay. Alright. We have an exploding sound, which is always good. Okie dokie. Okay. Did I remove all the screws? I think I did. If I didn't, that would suck. Okay, I did. Okay, we have something else connected, which is... what is it? Oh, lights. And there you have it. Basically, that is it. You need to remove this screw, the one that has wire, the one that has these arrows, this one and this one, this one, this one, and this one, and remove this cable, and your motherboard is out. So there you have it. Well, what the hell? Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. Okay. I should probably put these screws into another pile, which is okay. So the one with the wire, and there is one screw in here, and one in here. So this should probably be it, probably. Okay. There is one more screw that holds this connector. Okay. So, if I'm not mistaken, this should pop up easily. Okay. Oh, there is one arrow in here as well. No. Probably should remove, disconnect these speakers. Okay. Oh, there are actually so many screws that hold this motherboard together. Okay, so this should probably be it. And there you have it. We have removed the motherboard. And basically that's pretty much it. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions, ask. And well, you know what to do. Bye bye.